Hello students and friends. Myself D. Prasad, lecturer at Lecture IIT Academy, Rajmat. Welcome to my channel. I hope that my channel is most useful for students to be as topper. Here I am bringing topper series. In this series, I discuss most useful and most tricky topics from chemistry. Now, let us start the today topic from stereochemistry, that is conversion of projection formula. Most of the students feel difficulty with these conversions. Organic molecules are represented by different type of projection formulas such as Fisher projection formula and Vegetes projection formula. Here, this is the Fisher projection formula. It is a 2D representation of the molecule. And next, it is a Vegetes projection formula. It is a 3D representation of the molecule. And it is a zigzag representation. And next, Sohor's projection formula. And finally, Newman projection formula. So in this video, let us discuss how to convert 3D structure to 2D structure. It means Vegetes projection formula to Fisher projection formula. For suppose this is the S-lactic acid. So we have to convert this S-lactic acid 3D structure to 2D structure. Now here, this molecule we are observing from the right side. Okay, first suppose we are standing here. Now just hold this molecule. So whenever holding this molecule, this OH is present in the left hand, and this hydrogen, the group which is below the plane, is present in the right hand. Now, so the group which are present on the plane just write on the vertical line. So it is a vertical line. That means here Fisher projection is a combination of the vertical line and horizontal line. So here COOH and CH3 must be written on the vertical line. Now, if you observe this molecule, this OH must be present in left hand. So here OH must be written on the left side. Now here this hydrogen is present in the right hand. So this hydrogen must be written on the right side. So here it is a 2D representation for this 3D molecule. So you can check the configuration also. For suppose this is the first priority group and this is the second priority group and this is third priority group. Now here if you take the arrow from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, this arrow is in clockwise direction but least priority group on the horizontal line. So you have to take the reverse. So configuration is S. So both these are the equal. Now if the molecule is present like this, that means here we have to observe this molecule from the left side. Okay, whenever observe the molecule from the left side, just here hold the molecule. So in this case OH which is present above the plane is now present in the right hand, and the hydrogen below the plane is now in the left hand. So here the COOH and CH3 groups must be written on the vertical line. So now here whenever holding this molecule, this OH is present in the right hand. So here we have to write this OH group on the right side, and now here remaining hydrogen on the left side. Now you can check the configuration. So here first priority and this is second priority and this one third priority. So take the arrow. This arrow is in anti-clockwise direction, but you have to take the reverse because least priority group on the horizontal line. So here R configuration. So that is a simple method. Okay. And next, for suppose the molecule given like this. Of course here the molecule is not given correctly. So just here convert this molecule. Just rotate this molecule like this. If you rotate this molecule, you can get this structure. Now here you are observing this molecule from the left side. Whenever you observe from the left side, this OH group that is above the plate is present in the right hand. So here in 2D representation, that group present on the right side. Just here the remaining groups CH3 and COH on the plane. So just you must be written on the vertical line. Now here this hydrogen comes to the left hand, so that group must be written on the left side. So it is a 2D representation for this 3D structure. Okay. Or suppose we can rotate this molecule into the left side also. Okay. In either direction we can rotate, and we can convert into 2D structure that it gives the same molecule. If you rotate in left side, so this is the structure of that 3D molecule. Okay. Now here this molecule is observed from the right hand side. Okay. That means here right side. So in this case, the group which is above the plane must be present on the left side. Okay. And here the group which is below the plane must be written on the right side. Okay. Just very simple, you can say that if you observe the molecule from the right side, above the plane group must be on the left side. If you observe the molecule from the left side, above the plane group must be written on the right side. Okay, that is a simple trick you can remember. So now here, in this case, it is a first priority and it is a second priority, it is a third priority. So here, take the arrow. This arrow is in clockwise direction, but take the reverse. So S configuration. Now here, first priority and second priority and third priority. Take the arrow. This arrow is in clockwise direction, but take the reverse because least priority group on the horizontal line. So its configuration is S. That means here both are the same. So here, if the molecule is given like this, we can rotate the molecule either right side or left side. Okay. That means here to observe either from right side or left side. For our convenience, we can rotate the molecule. Now for suppose this molecule has two chiral carbons. So in this case here, this molecule is observed from the right side and as well as left side. So because this carbon has two chiral carbons. Now here the groups which are present on the plane must be written on the vertical line. So here the COOH and COH on the vertical line. Now here for this chiral carbon we are observing from the right side. Whenever observe from the right side, this above the plane group OH is present in the left hand, and this below the plane group is present in the left hand. So this hydrogen is present on the right hand, this OH present on the left hand. So here OH must be written on the left side, and this hydrogen written on the right side. Okay. Now here come to this one. This molecule is observed from the left side. So here just here holding this molecule with both hands. Whenever holding this molecule with both hands, this OH is present in the left hand. So that OH group must be written on the left side. And this hydrogen is present in the right hand. So that must be written on the right side. So it is the 2D representation for this molecule. Of course, it is a mesotartaric acid. This is a mesotartaric acid molecule.